A recent viral video has emerged showing a sub-inspector from the Laban Police Station appearing intoxicated while on duty. The footage reveals the officer allegedly refusing to accept an FIR from a woman who claimed she was assaulted by a cab driver, resulting in a heated argument with the sub-inspector at the station. In response, the Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills, Sylvester Nongtanger, announced today that the sub-inspector has been suspended pending an investigation.
Sakabuan, sakadan dengan duti, sakabuan. Bila buat lah. Bila buat kakmat tu asal. Sakabuan. Ngin pen viral ni video, ngin pen viral. Tahu ya video jak viral. Dia persaplian kan ni video.
Yes, regarding yesterday incident in the Laban Police Station, that he misbehaved with the public while they came for lodging FIR and didn't entertain their FIR. So, inquiry has been conducted by the SDPO of Purusla, who is a sector officer last night, and a sector officer and also another hunter. And as per his report, so a suspension order has been issued, and accordingly, SI Ricky E. Marwain is suspended from today. That I can't say because I was not there yesterday, but the fact is that he refused to entertain the FIR lodged by the public. So based on that, and also looking from the social media, looks like perhaps he was drunk. So we have taken action, and as I say, he has been suspended. Well, we always take a prompt action to the misdeeds personnel of East Castles, and we always rewarded for the good deeds, for the good actions. We always promptly give reward for them, and always we punish the misdeeds, be it officers or men.